Okay, we got a, so got this BMW here. Apparently it's at it's leaking, it's overheating, so I don't think it will start like back on. It said it just turned off and it doesn't want to turn back on, so I don't know, it's already probably damaged. I'd say, you know, it's overheating, so I don't know. We'll see what the deal is. Let me check. Ah, man. Let's see what's going on in here. So he left the keys. He left the keys. That's right. Over here. I don't know. Oh, they're right here. Yeah, this is not a good place to break down. See, I hope it got the hook. Probably. Nah, it doesn't have anything at all, man. So it's gonna be a little harder. You probably have to find a place to hook them up, because that it doesn't have anything around here. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's right here. We can hook them up here. Yeah, we find a place to hook them up. Oh man, this floor is wet. It's not cold, it's wet. Let's see. So on our chart, I want to hook them up at the right place. You know. Let's see right here. Okay, it's good. So I get my phone, keys, and Yeah, this is be honest, this is not a good place to break down. It's just a curb. So let me take a picture really quick. This is how we work in the tow in the nighttime. Everybody call and everyone say that this is an easy money. Well, it is easy, but you gotta know how to do it. That's the thing. You gotta know how to do it. Answer. Hello. Hey. Voy cogiendo un carro aquí en la 95.